Hi, and thanks for watching the DIY Daddy channel. My name is Don. So this is going to be a quick video on refrigerator magnets. Actually, the world's best refrigerator magnets. So, are you tired of, like, these little flimsy ones that don't really hold anything? You can barely fit one sheet of paper under it, and they fall down, or they slide, or they just don't hold anything. And these, they fall off, and they break. And you've got these, just a tiny little magnet. Alright, well, I came up with a magnet that can hold almost 15 sheets of paper. Alright? So, they come with these little holes already on the edges. Sometimes the edges are bent up like this, so all you gotta do is just take a pair of pliers and straighten them out. And then all I do is I run a piece of copper wire through the holes. And now I've got a magnet that is extremely strong, will hold damn near anything up there, and keep it there. I mean, I'm tugging on this and it's barely moving. Alright? So it's important that you put that little handle on so you can pull them off and on real easily. But as far as refrigerator magnets go, these are the best refrigerator magnets I've ever had. And I've had, some, even these big ones, you see, a big magnet on the back, but they're the weak, kind of like, I don't even know what they're made of, but it's barely magnetic, and they don't really hold anything. But these guys, they hold everything. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Piece of copper wire, run through and twist it around, so you can pull on it. These things are so strong that even the smallest one can hold a pair of salad tongs, as well as the piece of paper. Alright? Extremely strong. Alright, so that's it for that little life hack, I guess. If you have an old computer that you're not using, they're easy to find, on Craigslist, people throwing them out. You can grab the hard drives from them, pull those magnets out, or just order the magnets online if you want. People sell them listed as hard drive magnets. They're easy to find, easy to use, and they'll be the best refrigerator magnets you've ever had. So thanks for watching. Make sure you comment and share and like and subscribe, and see you all later.